Assalamu alaikum students, it's me Miss Shumaila. Today we are going to talk about advantages and disadvantages of science. So first of all we are going to discuss about advantages of science. Science actually give information how sound produce when body vibrate. Next is we are using electricity just because of science. We are using this technology, like for example we are using fan, we are using machineries, we are using light, we are using AC, computer, TV, and too many electronic items we are using. So how we are using? Just because of electricity. If we not have the electricity, so we are not able to use this type of electronic items, and these electronic items make our life easy and convenient. Now next is we are also using these facilities in case of agriculture, means we can easily cultivate the different crop by using flowing of water for irrigation. Next is by technology we save too much time, like if we do our work by hand, so it will take much time. But now, Alhamdulillah, we are having facilities like what type of facilities we are having in our home, like juicer, like blender, vacuum cleaner, and if we do our work by this type of things, so that make our life easy. And now, students, if we talk about offices, so obviously we are using this technology in offices. And first of all, we are using computer in offices. So if we are using computer, so that save too much time. And obviously, we can save too many things in computer. So it make our life easy and convenient, and most important, it save our time. If now that one are the advantages of science which we have discussed. Now we are going to talk about disadvantages. So there are also too many disadvantages. It's obvious that if we are having advantages of anything, so obvious we are having too many disadvantages of technology or anything. Now we are going to talk about disadvantages. First of all, science is failed for spiritual development. Means morally, it not give any information, any idea to human being. Science is not giving values, justice, and equality. It's failed. Science fail in case of this equality or justice. Second is we are using fertilizers, we are using insecticide, we are using pesticide, and they badly disturb our life. And just because of this fertilizer, this insecticide, this pesticide, we suffer too many diseases. Why? Fertilizer, insecticide, and pesticide create too many problems. Students, look at this. For example, if we put this fertilizer, insecticide, or pesticide, so and we flow the water, so along with the water, insecticide and pesticide dissolve in water, and along with water, it start to move. So obviously, when it moves, so insecticide and pesticide, it's a chemical, so it's very dangerous for our life. So it will create too many problems. And if we are using that water, which is present in which is present in river or anywhere, river or anywhere, so obvious we suffer too many problems. And now we are talking about pollution. This is also the disadvantages of science, that just because of technology, pollution rate increased. We are using vehicle, we are having too many industries, and we are using too much. We are have too much use of petroleum. So just because of this, pollution rate has increased, and that are the disadvantages. Now we are going to talk about many chemicals which we are using in industries, so it badly affects seawater or river water. Why? Because it flow through the water, means these chemicals flow through the water, so it dissolve in water, so it badly affect the seawater and river water. That one is also the disadvantages. And now we are going to discuss about nuclear power. We know very well that Alhamdulillah Pakistan is a have a nuclear power. So if we blast the bomb, so it creates the great disturbance. Why it creates the great disturbance? Because of this bomb have too many chemicals, and when this chemical blasts, so it will release too many energies which badly affect our life. Thank you, students. Now we have discussed advantages and disadvantages. So, students, I hope you understand. If you are having any query, so you can ask me in your next class.